is Kevin, and this is Kiara Jameson, and we are building the Ventana Cube.
The best part of our experience with Shaw Homes is going to the design studio and designing our dream home, picking out every little feature and option available. What sets Shaw apart from different builders is their accommodating, friendly, awesome staff. There's so many choices to pick from. There's so many floor plans, many available models to choose from, excellent quality materials, and reasonable pricing.
I think it'll be the best decision of your life if you pick Shaw. I mean, just the quality of the buildings that they do, and the choices that you have to choose from is fantastic.